Preventing common illnesses involves a combination of healthy habits, hygiene practices, and preventative measures. Here's a comprehensive guide. 1. Practice good hygiene. Wash your hands frequently. This is one of the most effective ways to prevent the spread of germs. Wash with soap and running water for at least 20 seconds, especially before eating, after using the toilet, after coughing or sneezing, and after being in public places. If soap and water aren't available, use an alcohol-based hand sanitizer containing at least 60% alcohol. Cover your coughs and sneezes. Use a tissue to cover your mouth and nose when you cough or sneeze. If a tissue isn't available, cough or sneeze into your elbow, not your hands. Dispose of used tissues immediately. Avoid touching your face. Germs can easily enter your body through your eyes, nose, and mouth. Try to avoid touching your face, especially with unwashed hands. 2. Maintain a healthy lifestyle. Eat a balanced diet. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein can strengthen your immune system. Limit processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Water helps your body function properly and can help flush out toxins. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Lack of sleep can weaken your immune system. Exercise regularly. Regular physical activity improves circulation and strengthens your immune system. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity aerobic exercise per week, as well as muscle strengthening activities at least 2 days a week. Manage stress. Chronic stress can weaken your immune system. Practice stress-reducing techniques like meditation, yoga, deep breathing, or spending time on hobbies. 3. Get vaccinated. Stay up to date on recommended vaccines. Vaccines are a safe and effective way to protect yourself and others from many serious illnesses, such as influenza, flu, measles, mumps, rubella, chickenpox, and whooping cough. Follow the recommended vaccination schedules for your age group. 4. Avoid contact with sick people. Limit close contact with individuals who are showing symptoms of illness. If you must be around someone who is sick, take precautions like wearing a mask. Stay home if you are sick. This helps prevent the spread of your illness to others. Avoid going to work, school, or public places when you are feeling unwell. 5. Practice food safety. Wash fruits and vegetables thoroughly before eating. Cook meat, poultry, and eggs to the recommended internal temperatures. Avoid cross-contamination by using separate cutting boards and utensils for raw and cooked foods. Refrigerate perishable foods promptly. 6. Clean and disinfect surfaces. Regularly clean and disinfect frequently touched surfaces such as doorknobs, light switches, countertops, and phones, especially if someone in your household is sick. 7. Be aware of your surroundings. Avoid crowded places during peak illness seasons. Take precautions against insect bites, e.g., using insect repellent, wearing long sleeves and pants, to prevent vector-borne illnesses. Practice safe sex to prevent sexually transmitted infections. 8. Don't abuse antibiotics. Antibiotics are only effective against bacterial infections, not viruses. Taking antibiotics for viral illnesses won't help you get better and can contribute to antibiotic resistance. Always follow your doctor's instructions for antibiotic use. By incorporating these preventive measures into your daily life, you can significantly reduce your risk of contracting common illnesses and protect your overall health. Preventing common illnesses involves a combination of health